Today we have the 2021 Hyundai i20. This is a petrol hybrid vehicle. It has done just over 14,000 miles with a manual transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, we can access Apple CarPlay, media and radio, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between comfort, sport and eco.